Alright, welcome back. I'm Richard the Painter. Right, this time, excuse the sunshine, it's right in my face. So this time I've got a transporter again. t25, whichever one you're into. Rot around the windows, water ingress. And not very nice. So let's have a quick look. So you see all around here. Don't know if you'll be able to see properly because of the camera, the light even. So this part here, some of you may know, is supposed to have a screw at each end to undo that. And as you can see, it's completely rotten. So as you can see, it's completely rotten. So what we've got to do is run a bit of a budget as well. Get over here. So we can't go Larry with it, but we do need to sort it. So we're going to cut this window out. I'll probably push this window out by the looks of it. We'll get all that cleaned off, everything in the gaps. If you can see what I'm doing there. Everything along this gap. Get it all cleaned out with a grinder. It's going to be messy because it's a bit of a disaster, unfortunately. And basically see what's left, and then start from there, really. So I'll put you on a bit of a time-lapsey thing because I don't want to keep waffling. Put some music over it or something like that. We'll pull this out and we'll grind it and have a look. I'm still waffling now, aren't I? Right. Back in a mo. Actually, what I will do is we'll just show you taking the window out because some people might not know. These are the old type. So you have a rubber and then you have like an insert inside it. So what we'll do is we'll take that off and we'll see if we can show you that. You just pull that insert out. Basically, that insert spreads the rubber out and allows it to stay in the old aperture, if you want to be posh. So I'll just take that out. See if you can actually see what I'm doing anyway. There we go. So we have, although we're on a budget, we have actually got new rubbers for this, so we don't have to mess around too much. So just take the filler strip out, we'll put that up there. So what I'm going to do is just try and give that a bit of a push. I don't know if you're seeing this or not. Right, I'll try and edit that bit out anyway, but I don't know if you can see. So in the meantime I am keeping hold of that glass. I don't know if you can see that properly. Now somebody somewhere a while ago, by the looks of it, thought that was a good idea. So let that be a lesson to all of you that think that's a good idea. It's not. Right, so luckily we knew it was bad anyway. Let me get you in there so we see what we're doing. I got one good bit. Right, so I said I was going to put you on a time lapse, didn't I? But we got carried away. So that window going down the road there, that could have fallen out because that just literally has fallen out in my hand. So that's not good, is it? So what I'm going to do now is basically go around it with a grinder, clean all the edges back up, and just see how far back it's gone, and then we'll see what we can do, can't do. We'll see if we can get this side panel off as well, just see if that's damaged behind there or not. But we'll clean it up first. They're absolutely stunning, these, aren't they? Excuse the compressor, it will stop in a second. Right, turn it off a second. There we go. Right, as you can see, pop that in there for now. Right, there we go. So even the bottom's all rusty, so luckily it's or was a panel van, so that panel's relatively flat anyway. There it is working. Let me turn that off. Right, back again. It's finally shut up. So yeah, with it being a panel van, this would have been completely flat anyway, and then somebody's cut an hole out of it and then basically just fitted the window, which is why we've got a secondary rubber on the inside, because that would have still been there. So as regards repair wise, it makes it quite an easy repair. It's not really complicated, there's just quite a lot of it. So I suppose the only complicated bit really is there is a step up here. Kind of like a recess. So what we'll do is we'll just pin, sort of roll that in there if we can. It's actually falling apart in my hand. So we'll try and roll that in there. I'll show you that as well. But basically I'm going to try and get all this cleaned out, hoovered out and everything like that, and just make sure it's all clean, and then basically get set up for the next stage. So I'm not waffling for ages. We'll leave that video here, so you've seen what we've got to do. Call it a part 1 if you like. So you've seen what we've got to do, and on the next one we'll show you how we got around it and everything like that. So if there's anything you need to know or want to know, or if you've got any suggestions on that, just let me know. And if you like what we're doing, give us a like, share and subscribe and all that wonderful stuff. It'd be appreciated. Yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.